Looks like Baset has a shot on the 1. Does it touch the 3? Because if it touches the 3, hindi papasok yan. Mukhang hindi.
Mukhang may lusot.
May awang.
Oo.
Suabe.
Tingnan
Para
mo
kay
naman
Kingpin.
yung position shooting nitong si Kingpin.
At he had mumugation. Ganda ng tulak, oh. Diretso, Mark. How does he get it back for the 4 ball? He needs to jack up, pero lapit niya sa side rail. Kita ba? Makes it this time. Just saying, Baset has an open bank shot if he wants it. Kaya pa pala ipabuntis.
Bang klase talaga pocketing nitong si Kingpin.
In their last matchup against Makati, he was not with the team.
Oh, he's doing Jedi mind tricks.
Di mo
Parang
kayang
Hidalgo.
Kingpin yung kalaban mo.
Lahat yata ng bilyarista, ganun eh. Akala nila nakakausap nila yung bola. Looks like they'll get one more rack to their cause.
The run of Negros Occidental stops at 3 in a row.